Hey, Kyle Colbert here, and I'm here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and we are inviting you to take the first step in transforming your health and your energy, and that's joining the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge.
Hi, Dr. Don Colbert here, and I'm inviting you to take the first step toward transform your health and energy by joining the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge. This challenge isn't just another diet. It's a proven program designed to help you enter the keto zone, where your body starts to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, sugars, and starches. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and more focused than you have in years. Over the next 21 days, you'll learn how to enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while staying in the keto zone, which is the fat-burning zone. You'll also learn how to balance your hormones and curb unhealthy cravings. But here's what makes this challenge unique. It's simple, effective, and sustainable. Whether you're new to the keto zone lifestyle or looking for a reset, this program has everything you need to succeed. As part of the challenge, you'll receive meal plans, shopping lists, recipes, and step-by-step guidance to make the process easy and enjoyable. And you won't be doing this alone. Join our Keto Zone Facebook community, where you'll find support, tips, and inspiration from others on the same journey. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for even more recipes, tips, and success stories.
So are you ready to transform your health, feel your best, and stay in the keto zone? Don't wait. Join the Keto Zone Challenge today.
It's time now to restore, rebuild, and renew your mind and your body. Join the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge, and let's do this together.